topic blindness. This one is the blindness part 12, in which I'll explain you about the human resource development. Okay, how we have to improve the skills, what facilities are to be provided to the people so that we will prevent the blindness in India. So human resource development for the Vision 2020, the initiative of the India, the human resource development needs identified to combat the blindness by 2020 are. First one is the MLOP. Okay, so they have taken the initiative that they have to do these things by the 2020. These are, first point is the MLOP, mid-level ophthalmic personnel. The term mid-level ophthalmic personnel has been introduced to include all categories of paramedics who work full-time in the eye care. Okay, so paramedical categories or the paramedical courses are started, and they are given a lot of importance so that they will work full-time in the eye care so that we will prevent the blindness in our country. Streams of MLOP are, now the streams are, first one is the hospital-based MLOP. These include the ophthalmic nurses. The word ophthalmic is related to the eye department. Okay, so OT nurses, well qualified OT nurses are required to the hospital. Ophthalmic technicians are basically those persons who deals with the different machines, okay, which are used in the ophthalmic field or the eye department. Okay, so ophthalmic technicians are needed, proper trained ophthalmic technicians are needed. Optometrists are the very respectful persons who can solve the 90% of eye problems in case of the patients. And the orthoptists are basically those persons who deals with the diseases of the eye movements, different things which are related to the eye movements. Those diseases and those problems are solved by the orthoptist. Okay, so hospital based MLOP include all these four things: ophthalmic nurses, ophthalmic technicians, optometrist, and the orthoptist. Next one is the community based MLOP. Community based MLOP includes those with outreach and the field functions such as primary eye care workers and the ophthalmic assistant. Okay, so those things, they will work for the community, so they have to move to those places which are out of reach of the people. Okay, and have to give benefit to those people at the community levels. Next one is eye care infrastructure development. They have also planned the eye care infrastructure development. First one is based on the recommendation of the World Health Organization. There is a need to develop the infrastructure pyramid, which include, they have introduced the pyramid in which different levels are there: primary level vision centers, service centers, then training centers, and then the center of excellence. Okay, now see what are the importance of all these things. Primary level vision center, there is a need to develop the 20,000 vision centers. Okay, they have to develop the 20,000 vision centers in which one ophthalmic assistant is there, which cover the population of 50,000. Okay, next one is the service center. So there is a need to develop the 2,000 service center at the secondary level, each level with the 2 ophthalmologists and the 8 paramedics, which covers the population of the 5 lakh. Okay, so here if you can see in the pyramid that at the vision center they have to open the 20,000 vision center, which will cover the population of 50,000. Then at the second level they have to open the service center, which are the 2,000 service center, and they will cover the population of 5 lakhs. Next one is the training center. Now there is a need to develop the 200 training centers for the training of the ophthalmologist. Have to develop the training center so that at the training center the ophthalmologist will get the proper training, that how they have to do the surgery of the patient, how they have to do the OPD, how they have to find out the case selection, case detection, complicated cases, easy cases, how they have to deal with all these cases. Each tertiary level training center will cater to a population of 5 million. Okay, so 200 training centers are there which will cover the population of 5 million. Next one is the center of excellence. There is a need to develop 20 CEO with a well developed in all subspecialties of ophthalmology. Each advanced tertiary level center of excellence will cater to a population of 50 million. Okay, so 20 CEO or the center of excellence are open so that they will cover the population of how much million? 50 million. Okay, so this was the end. This was all about the human resource development, that how we have to move on so that we will prevent the blindness in our country. Thanks for your patience listening.